body parts. So here the other characteristic. Absence of mental disease, and absence of social and physiological tension. This social relation is very important. Even these days we are very much, this outburst of the news about the, society. This is related to the social well-being. If somebody is not having in a state of harmony, then these all problems would be there. Then hygiene. So these are the characteristic of a healthy person. There should be the absence of disease, there should be proper functioning of all the internal organs, and absence of mental disease, absence of social and physiological tensions. Then hygiene. What do you understand by hygiene? Yeah? Hygiene? Good health. No. Hygiene is actually a set of rules which one is following to prevent from diseases. It's better you write down diseases. So, a set of rules that follow to prevent from diseases. So, these are some practices by following one can be prevent from diseases. And these all for to keep a person healthy or means like disease free. So this is hygiene. So personal hygiene. What is personal hygiene? When you know that what is hygiene, then very simple. The rules which we follow to keep oneself clean or prevent from diseases. All the practices which one is following to prevent from diseases or to keep the oneself what you can say healthy or disease free. All those practices, whether it comes means like bathing or brushing or wearing neat and clean clothes, all these comes under the category of hygiene, personal hygiene. And not only it comes related to the means cleanliness, all the factors is included in it. The one would be healthy by following it, by taking a balanced diet. Balanced diet is also one of the most important factors to keep a person healthy, because our body needs energy, nutrient to work in a proper way. It's a complex machine, and machine needs fuel, we know. And fuel, what fuel we are using? We are using diet. Right? 5 important nutrients very much necessary for a healthy person. What are those? Carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin and minerals. So they are very important. And what is balanced diet? Yes, adequate amount of all 5 nutrients along with dietary fiber and water. So that is very important, and one of the most important factor of personal hygiene. Cleanliness and healthy habit. Cleanliness is half of Iman, we know. It's very important. Means Iman is how much important in Islam, we know that. On the basis of Iman only one will go in Jannah. And in our Islam, half of the Iman is cleanliness. Means by keeping a person clean, their own self, their house, their community, half of the Iman will be completed. How easy it is, if one will follow. Though Iman, to keep the state of Iman is very important, means you can say difficult. But Allah made it so easy. Just keep yourself surrounding house, in your surrounding environment you keep clean, yourself clean, house clean, half of the Iman is completed, done. So, eating a balanced diet, cleanliness and healthy habit. Along with it, when you are taking balanced diet, when you are eating at a regular interval, regular bowel movement is also very important. Means at the time of metabolic activities, a lot of waste products are produced, and they need to be excreted out at a regular interval and a proper amount. If they would be accumulated in the body, then the person will be suffer from many diseases, and in severe cases, the person lead to death also. So, regular toilet habit. What is the time? So here, what personal hygiene includes? Eating balanced diet, cleanliness and healthy habits. Then regular toilet habit. Washing hand before eating. Washing hand before eating and after eating also. Why? It's before eating we are understanding we are living in an environment which is full of microorganisms. So everywhere microorganisms, they must come in our hand also when we are touching different surfaces. So before eating is very important, because when we eat something with the dirty hand, microorganisms go inside and they cause disease. Yes? Why after eating it is important? because after eating, food particles must be sticking on the hand and they invite the microorganism come and enjoy. So that's why it is sunnah wash your hand before and after eating. Bathing regularly and wearing clean clothes. And wearing clean clothes. All are the part of personal hygiene. One can be kept free from the diseases or to be healthy by following these practices. Cleaning of teeth, it's also sunnah, very important, specifically in the morning and at night, and very important at night. Why very important at night? Whole night germs are free to corrode your teeth. The food particles which are left in between the teeth. Here, the whole night microorganisms act, and as a result, long time they are to corrode your teeth, and they are affected. During the day we are drinking water, we are doing a lot of activities. So even means like we are brushing in the morning and the whole day they are there, then also they are less affecting, but at night they have a full time to work on it. That's very important. Otherwise also means brushing teeth twice in a day. Along with it, whenever we eat something, we should rinse our mouth properly, because whatever the food particles are left in between the teeth, after half an hour, microorganisms which are present in the mouth, they start acting on it. As a result, some chemicals are produced and that corrode the enamel or the teeth. As a result, dental caries and all are caused. So, cleaning the teeth.